lot, so thank you very much. And we'll keep supporting you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Optionables, to make us a part of this show. Got a lot of value, a lot of learning. It was so nice of you that you called us at such a big scale and could share your experiences and to compress the entire set of experiences in volumes and in times. And you have grown up from so much and teaching, especially a complex subject like options and option selling, to novices like us, and clearing all of our doubts. The entire day was fantastic, and that too as a workshop, it was great. It was a fantastic experience, and keep growing, keep shining. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I just completed attending the one-day options workshop from Optionables. I must say I learned quite a bit of new topics, new approaches, and I'm actually looking forward to try it out soon. What I'm most impressed about was the importance the team gave on the psychology and the mindset aspect of the trading, because as retail traders, I believe that's a bit difficult for us to understand. So giving importance to that is a really big kudos to them. Apart from it, I was also impressed by how approachable the team was. Saket, Sujit, Vatsa, every other folk here, they were really approachable. Be it from answering our questions, clarifications, giving suggestions, etc. Was really impressed by the way the workshop was conducted. I'm really looking forward to applying the knowledge that I learned today, and I wish all the very best for the team Optionables in future.
First of all, congratulations to the Optionables team for setting up this workshop, and I would like to thank the team for giving me the invite and the opportunity to be here and attend this session. It was a very informative session, and the whole workshop was set up, and the entire thing was very precisely done. And I would like to thank the Optionables teams once again for giving their insights and also receiving a lot of inputs from the other traders, and also understanding how they are trading, what are their strategies that they are using. So it was quite insightful for us also, and hopefully we learn from this and we are able to implement it in the real world as well. Thank you so much.
So we just attended the option trading workshops by Optionable. It was a really nice experience. It gave us a new dimension of thinking in which way, other ways which we can implement strategies, other ways in which we can adjust. So it really increases your domain knowledge, a certain different perspective. So I really enjoyed it, something very informative, and a really big shout out to Team Optionables for giving such a wonderful content for free without any selfish motive. So it adds really, it adds a value to their company. It also adds their personal value. So I really enjoyed it. A big shout out to Team Optionables, and glad I could be a part of it. Thank you.
So this was a really good experience with Optionables. I think this is the first time I'm attending one of their workshops. So this was really helpful. We discussed a lot of topics from psychology to risk management, and I believe I've never had such knowledge shared with me earlier. This was a wonderful experience.
This is the wonderful workshop I have attended, and this is the first workshop also. Whatever they have taught us, it's very informative. The risk management mainly, whatever the strategy they have told, no one has taught that too for free. I think these Optionable people are doing their wonderful job. Sakit and his team, I wish them successful and to teach all the people whatever they have learned. Thank you so much for the opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you guys.